Hello everyone, today we are going to learn basic Ibis Paint X tutorial how to rename layer. So for example, I will create new layer. You can click this layer option and then click plus icons to create new layer. So we have the layer with name 2. If you want to change these names, you can click this three dots icon and then choose rename layer. After it, you can set the layer name. So like I will set into example. Click OK. And the layer 2 will be set the names into example. So I will set name again in this layer 1. You can click triple dot. And then you can click rename layer. I will set into number 1. Click OK to set the name into the layer. Okay, that's it for basic Ibis Paint X tutorial, how to rename layer. If you have any question about tutorial, you can comment below this video.